Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank UNICE for sponsoring this video and sending over this gorgeous 33B curly 7x5 closure wig. It is so gorgeous. I love this chocolate brown color so much. But if you guys want to see me install this wig and all the goodies that come with it, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this wig install. Hey y'all, we got a UNICE wig. All right, so we got some goodies. We got 2 packs of wig caps, some nails, and a melting band. We'll have a silk bag to store your wig, okay? All right, and the wig comes packaged like so. This is a 33B 20 inches. We've got a 7x5 curly wig. We got a nice curly, look at the color on this wig. This is so freaking beautiful. But yes, it's a 7x5. Let's zoom in on the lace. It is pre-cut for us. It is pre-plucked as well. The lace is cut. The knots may be bleached. Oh yeah, the knots are bleached as well. Let's get into the construction of the wig. Look at all this parting space, y'all. It's 7 inches left to right, 5 inches deep. Also, we have the elastic band that I'm gonna throw on there in a second. We have adjustable bands here. We have the C part on your, the C curve that's going to go right over your ears. So it has a really comfortable fit on your ears. We have a comb in the back. And of course, the wig is a snug fit to your head. Looks like the wig is breathable as well. You can see my finger going straight through it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation on the lace on the inside. I'm gonna hot comb the edges back just a little bit, but look, the lace looks really good. And then I'll come back and style it. I'm gonna try to put this in a middle part and then maybe like a half up, half down or something. We'll see, but I'm gonna try to do 2 styles for us today. So I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and blow dried the hair. It looks really beautiful. I used some conditioner and just water on it, blow dried it. It's about 90% dry, but it looks really, really beautiful. I love the curls on here. But hold on just a second, let me turn around so y'all can see the back real quick. So yes, this is what the first hairstyle looks like. I think the curls are really, really pretty. I love how full it is. I actually really like this length on curly hair. Look at this curl right here. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a cute little half up, half down style real quick, and then I will come right back and show you guys how versatile this 7x5 closure wig is, okay? Because we have lots of parting space. I'm gonna show you guys a little something, so I'll be right back. All right, so this is the second hairstyle. What do y'all think? I got some little tendrils in the front. Got a little half up, half down situation. I think it's cute. I did throw some mousse in it. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. What do you guys think? Make sure you guys comment below. Make sure you guys comment below. Let me know how you guys feel about this wig and this style. Also, don't forget the description box. I will have all the information to this wig in there as well. It turned out really cute, y'all. I like it. It's super, super versatile, this hair. The color is still... I got conditioner on my shirt. How annoying. Gosh. Anyway, I really, really love this 30B. It's like a really, really deep chocolatey brown. Love it so, so much. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Thank you again, UNICE, for sponsoring this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.